Cancer is one of the leading cause of death worldwide. Pero alam mo bang may natural na paraan para maprotektahan ang iyong katawan? Ito ay may 12 synergistic ingredients designed to fight cancer and protect your body at the cellular level. Packed with powerful antioxidants like selenium, grapeseed extracts, spirulina, red beet, amla, vitamin C, and more, which helps fight free radicals and eats the hidden enemy behind cancer and aging. It boosts your immune system, detoxifies your body, and supports overall health, helping you live longer and stronger. Your health is your best investment. Huwag nang hintayin pang magkasakit. Start protecting yourself today. Message me and follow for more.